Hi there, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download video from YouTube using YTD video downloader. First, you can get this software from internet or you can click description. After that, you can open YTD video downloader. And then after open like this, you can go to youtube.com and select one video you like. For example, I want to download video from my channel. After that, you can open the video and then you can copy this back to YTD video downloader and automatically the URL paste in here. The last step, you can click download like this. After completed, you can open the file locations. And this is your video. You can play anytime with offline mode. That's a tutorial about how to download video with YTD video downloader. Thanks for watching and bye bye.